Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphones, iPhones or iPads as an external monitor for your Sony a6400 camera. So let's begin the video. So here I have an iPhone 7 Plus. It doesn't matter whether you have iPhones, Android mobile phones or iPads, the process will be same. And here I have the Sony a6400, as you can see right here. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we're going to open our smartphone and we're going to need to download an app. So I'm going to open the app store. So the app that you're going to be looking for is called Imaging Edge. So let me just type it here first so I can show you. So here is the app that you need to download, Imaging Edge Mobile, and here is its icon. So I have already downloaded it, and guys, I will also put its download link both for Android and iOS just below the like button as well. So once you have downloaded the app, here you can see the app. So we're not going to open the app right now. First of all, we need to do some settings on the Sony a6400 camera. So I'm first of all going to open or enable the Sony a6400. So here you're going to press on the menu button right here. Here you can see that it is on menu number 1. We need to go to the third menu where you have this world icon or the internet icon, I would say. So we're going to press the upper button first, then we're going to press on the right button until we reach here. So we're going to reach the page network 1. We're going to go down, and here it says control W slash smartphone. You need to make sure that you are in this option. We're going to press on the round button on the very mid to select it. Here you can see control with smartphone. It is currently disabled or off. We're going to press on it. We're going to go up and we're going to on. So this is the thing that will actually allow you to connect your smartphone with your Sony a6400 and to use it as a wireless monitor. So we're going to go down where it says connection. We're going to press on the mid button and it's going to start a connection. So here it will show a barcode. Now we can just open the Imaging Edge software that we downloaded. So guys, it isn't necessary that you have an active internet connection on your smartphone. I have tried it without internet and it works perfectly all right. So it doesn't matter whether you have active Wi-Fi on your smartphone or not. Anyways, when you're going to set up your Imaging Edge software, it's going to ask just simple question. Here it says connect with a new camera. You're going to press on this one, and here you're going to press on scan QR code. So it's going to ask for permission. We're going to press on OK to allow camera permission, and here we're just simply going to scan the QR code right here. So you can see it's asking whether we want to join or not. So we're going to press on join. Okay, now it's connecting with it. It may take some time because it is the first time that it is connecting. And guys, if you're feeling any lag with the actual video and this, what you can do is that you can disable Bluetooth. So here is our live feed. We can just rotate it like here so that you can see. So let me just disable auto rotate on my smartphone. And here is the thing that is actually being recorded by the camera. So this is a live preview. So let me just do is that let me just move the camera around, and here you can see the rest of my studio, which is actually being shown by the Sony a6400 camera. So you're going to feel a little bit of lag because it is through wireless connection, but hey, it is better than those expensive monitors on. So this is it guys, this is how you can connect it. So I think this is a much better and cheaper option to connect your Sony a6400 with your smartphone. If you have an iPad, the process will be same. The benefit with iPad will be that they're going to have a larger screen. So anyways guys, this is how you can do it. I hope that you like this video, and guys, I have already made a video on how you can connect an external monitor like a LED monitor or LED TV with your Sony a6400. If you're interested in that video, a box should appear here right now, and I will also put that videos link just below the like button as well. So this is guys how you can do it. And if you press on the display button, you can have different options as well. So you can change its aperture, its ISO mode, etc, etc. So it's basically a wireless remote in itself, but I just wanted to show you how you can use it as an external monitor. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching and stay safe.